In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Albums or Photos at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and use those dots at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!